This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Messenger and joining a call. This is mandatory. Once connected, look for the screen share icon. On mobile, it's in the call menu. On desktop, it's near video controls. Tap or click that icon to begin the prompt. You'll see options: share full screen, a specific window, or a browser tab. Choose the one you need. Make sure to close sensitive apps first, because whatever you select will be visible to everyone on the call. Now you choose exactly what to show and why. Share the entire screen for demos, a window for a single app, or a tab for browser content. If you need sound, toggle the option to include system audio, otherwise viewers won't hear your video. Once you confirm and click share, Messenger creates a live stream of that selection. You'll usually see a red border or preview indicating what's visible. Keep an eye on performance and close background apps to reduce lag. To finish, click stop sharing or end the call. That immediately returns you to camera view. If something goes wrong, black screen, frozen feed, or no audio, check app permissions, allow screen capture in system settings, and ensure your graphics drivers are current. If sharing still fails, stop, close Messenger, and relaunch. Then try sharing again or rejoin the call. As a quick tip, test with one contact before a big presentation so you can fix issues without pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.